Yes. So, hello everyone, and welcome to you all again in mathematics class here. And yes, today we are going to study the topic that mean of tabulated data. Okay, so first we have to understand that it's tabulated data, that when the data arranged in the form of a table in a systematic way, that means in the systematic form, when you will make that data in the form of a table, then that data is called the tabulated data. So the process of arranging the data in the form of a table in a systematic form, that process is only called the tabulation of data. And this is tabulation of data is very important to find the mean, when that mean of the data, when the data becomes large in collection. Okay, that means when it becomes large, then it is important to first convert the data in the form of a tabulated form. Okay, that means tabulated data. Otherwise we are using that formula, that sum of all the observations by number of observations for finding the mean only. So but here it will be more friendly to find the mean when you are converting them in the form of tabulated data, when it becomes large only, because the similar data repeats some of the times only. Okay, because every data has some frequency, how many times it occurs in the data. Okay, that is here only you can see the number of workers 40 60 kg workers in the given table tabulated data. 60 kg is the weight of 4 workers, so 60 kg frequency is 4 here, because 60 kg occurs here 4 times. And the 62 kg workers, those whose weight is 62 kg, such persons are 3 in the, that means such 3 workers are there, okay, in the workplace there. Now similarly the 66 kg workers are 2 in numbers, so 2 is the frequency of the data 66 kg here, because 66 kg occurs here 2 times here. So now we will see the question for that. Before that we will see what formula you will use in the way and in which way. So let the frequency of n observations is given, that means n observations is x1 x2 x3 dot dot dot, that means so on. It will come xn, means n datas are there from x1 to xn, and their frequency respectively given this f1 f2 f3, similarly dot dot dot, that means so on f to fn. Okay, you will take this, that means the frequency of x1 is f1 and the frequency of x2 is here f2, and similarly the frequency of the data, numerical data xn is fn here. Okay, then we will find that, then we can define the mean in the form of this formula, that f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2 plus dot 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 so on, to you will reach to the last frequency and the last observation, that fn into xn divided by sum of all the frequency, that means summation of frequency, that is total of the frequency, called f1 plus f2 plus dot dot dot, it goes till fn. Okay, now this may be summarized like this, that fi into xi, summation of fi into xi by summation of fi, that means the sum of fi and xi frequency and the observation, respective observation, the product of the frequency and the corresponding observation divided by the total of the frequency. Okay, so this formula you will use to find that the mean of tabulated data. Then the question here, the following table shows the wages of 12 workers in a factory. 12 workers in a factory are here. 60 kg 4 persons, 62 3 workers, 66 kg 2 workers, 69 also 2 workers, and 72 kg 1 worker is given here. Then find the mean weight. That means the mean of the weights given here. Mean data, what will the mean of the given data, which is the weight here, that you will find here. Then first we will draw the tabulated data in this way, that for finding the mean we prepare the table given below first in the form of the table, that is tabulation of data, that weight in kg is 60 kg, 62 kg, that 66 kg, 69, 72. So this way you will draw the weight in kg in the first column, and in the second column number of workers, 60 kg worker, it is given there 60 kg workers are 4 and 62 kg workers are 3, 66 kg are 2, 69 kg are 2, and 72 kg only one person is there. Then the number of workers is showing the xi, that is showing the frequency. This number of workers is showing the frequency. That means how many times that data repeats only, and that x weight in kg, this is showing the xi here, that is the numerical data. Okay, and their product you will find here 60 into 4, it is 240, then 62 into 3, 186, then 66 into 2, 132, 69 into 2, 138, and then last 72 into 1 is 72 only. Then find the sum of this last third column, which is the product of frequency and the data, means fi and xi. So this summation of means total of fi and xi is 768. You can find the sum of that 768, and the summation of total frequency is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, it is 12 total. Then you have found the total of frequencies and total of the product of frequency and data xi. Fi is the frequency and xi is the respective data, okay, corresponding data you can say. Now then you will draw the table like this only. This is the frequency table, that is the tabulation form of the table, tabulated data. Now mean formula here for the tabulated data is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So this will give 768 by 12, means the result is 64. 64 is the mean of the tabulated data here. So this way you will find here the mean of the tabulated data. So now thank you all of you, and now you can solve exercise 21A question number 13 to 15 there easily, of the collection and organization of data. Thank you all of you, and have a nice day.